you think it takes to publish a book? 6 months? A year? Well, you might be completely wrong. Watch this video till the end to find out exactly how much time it takes to publish a book. At Notion Press, we work as a matchmaker with your publishing dreams, connecting you to a publishing path that will suit your goals, timeline, and budget. Here's a quick overview of our publishing options, what they include, how much time they take to execute, so you can pick the right one for your book. First up, we have the Notion Press platform, a do-it-yourself tool that allows you to publish your book all by yourself at your own pace. With our user-friendly tools, you can upload your manuscript, design the interior and cover, and publish all by yourself in just within a week. But if you need professional assistance when it comes to cover design or interior design, we have add-on services that will get you additional support. Publishing with the Notion Press platform is simple, fast, and extremely affordable. But if you want professional experts working on your book, this is the perfect choice for you. Outpublish is designed to bring your vision to life with professional support. Unlike the do-it-yourself platform, Outpublish will have experts working on doing market research for your book, creating a personalized publishing plan for your book, curating marketing strategies for your book, and designing a premium interior and cover. The result is that your book will surely find its audience. And if you don't opt in for ghostwriting or editing services, you can publish your book in just 30 days. And if you want professional support but don't want to go over your budget, you have guided publishing. Just like the DIY platform, guided publishing also uses the platform to publish your book. But you won't have to handle the entire publishing process all by yourself. You will have a dedicated publishing manager guiding you through the entire process, from uploading your manuscript to publishing your book. While it's more affordable than Outpublish, guided publishing also includes some premium services like proofreading and Kindle promotions. And the best part is, just like with the Notion Press platform, you could be published within a week. So yes, publishing a book need not mean years of waiting and hoping to land a book deal. You can take control of the publishing process and publish however quickly you want to. So which option would you opt for? Doing it yourself or getting professional support? Stay tuned till the next video where we discuss how to choose the right publishing option for you. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!